Hello everyone, hello good. I've been seeing videos and photos about the Dalgona coffee, which is so trending now. And I watched Erwan Yusuf's video and the BuzzFeed's version of it, and now I'm trying to make an attempt of doing it. I feel like there's so much light there.
Instant coffee brand itself doesn't matter, but what's really important is that it has to be instant coffee. There is a scientific explanation for it. I believe it has something to do with stabilizing the foam.
Now I'm trying to see where this coffee Dalgona originated, so let's search that one. So it says the drink itself has origins from India, Pakistan, and Macau, where it is also known as whipped coffee or beaten coffee. With the nickname Dalgona for its resemblance to the traditional coffee sponge candy of the same name. So let's try to do this. So I'm gonna make an attempt using brown sugar. So let's see if does that work. So it says it's 1:1 ratio, so I probably use 2 tablespoons of coffee. Because it says it will use warm water. I don't know, maybe it's much better with the warm water than this cold one. So it just clicked, so that means it's ready. 2 tablespoons. Maybe I'll just try first 1.5. 1.5. Put this on the side. We'll start whipping it. So let's time it. It's 4:51, and let's see how long to make this foam. I think I'm almost there. It's because my coffee mixer is so thick now. I don't think it would fall. See that one? So thick. We're almost done in here. I'm probably gonna put this on the cup. It's a bit bitter, sweet, but nice. Now let's put this one away. Take some milk. .52, so I started short one for less than 10 minutes. See that one? It's so fun, like molding this whip mixture of coffee. And I think the 1:1 ratio of 2 tablespoons of each is perfect, because I'm not throwing a lot out, and it is just enough for a single glass of Dalgona. So this is, I don't know if it's really perfect. Let's do the tasting test. And now for our final product. I got it in here, and I think I made it right. So it's time for us to really try it and see how it does feel, and see how it taste rather. Now it's so beautiful, the foam and the milk mixing all together. Here now, most likely I've mixed the foam with the milk and I am dripping. You can see that it's most likely all milk on the top now. Oh. Ooh, that's so yummy. It's something that you can really make, not maybe every day, but occasionally, maybe when you have guests, because I think it's so special and it's so beautiful. Look at that. It seems like you made it in a coffee shop. And it tastes really good with just normal milk, low-fat milk or whole milk, and just simple coffee. I even just use an instant coffee, which is the Nescafe one. Not sponsored, but really tastes good. And yeah, I'm gonna indulge myself with this one because I'm enjoying it. Yummy. Really yummy.